Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and install fill plug for your rinse agent dispenser in your Whirlpool dishwasher. Replacing and installing the fill plug on your rinse aid dispenser is very easy. There's no tools required. It only takes a few minutes of your time. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons why you might be looking to remove and replace your dispenser plug is, one, maybe it's gotten lost, or sometimes they'll wind up falling down inside the dishwasher and they get damaged and they have to be replaced. One of the other reasons why you may have to replace this is the seal is worn and you're starting to find that some of the rinse agent is leaking down into the machine even while it's just sitting there not being used. So to remove it, of course, you're going to open the door and then you just go to turn the dispenser plug about 10 degrees and pull straight out of the dispenser. To install the fill plug, you're just going to set it into place, rotate it clockwise about 10 degrees, and close up your door and you're ready to go. And it's just that easy to replace the fill plug on your Whirlpool dishwasher.